Live. Welcome to Maintenance University. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step process on setting up a GSS-Army, uploading WinGUI from the company portal, downloading favorites, maybe from somebody you know for your favorite folders, and then just getting into EQUIPSIT so you can start looking at your fleet and understanding the report. So stick with us, check out the video, like and comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Sir, here we go. Now we're going to kick this off and get G-Army going. You gave me your certs. So I do have your certs. You've done a little bit of training, but now we're going to get you all the way through to the finish line. So I sent you my favorites folder or favorites documents already. So that's saved in your download, which is great. So now we're going to log into G-Army. And this is your G-Army. So go ahead and log in down on G-Track. And I have control just to help out if needed or just to point it in an area since we're in two separate locations. And Sergeant Gonzalez, you're there as well. If you got any questions, go ahead and chime in anytime, raise your hand, or if you got any notes or add tos, or let us know. So, sir, right here is your main screen. You have, as you notice, starting from your left to right. So you got your SAP GUI here, and you have your WinGUI and HTML GUI. We typically like the HTML or the WinGUI over HTML GUI just for the simple fact that the WinGUI is the actual software that is used to run the program. It's smoother, it's easier to use. I prefer WinGUI over HTML GUI. The WinGUI and HTML GUI is just a program that GCSSArmy uses just to run and function. So you're going to click on your WinGUI. So your WinGUI, you need to have that installed in your computer or else it won't run. And right now it shows that you do not have it installed in your computer. All right, sir. So what we're going to have to do now is we're going to have to go to your company portal and download WinGUI.
Okay.
So now you're going to go in your search bar down here and you're typing company portal. And now we're going to open that and we're going to look for WinGUI. There it is. So now you want to download that guy. So now we're going to install that. And for editing purpose, we'll fast forward so it goes through. You can try to hit open. We'll see if it finds it. Now you can minimize that window because WinGUI pops up in another Boom! We are golden, sir. Look at that. Oh, we got two windows going. You close out one of them. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and maximize that window.
Do it.
All right, so when you get inside GSS-Army, this is the default home screen. And as you notice over here, you have your favorites folder. And right now, we don't have too many favorites, but we have no favorites. So we're going to change that. So in the very top, I don't see it on yours. In the very top, you should have a spot where it said like file, open. Let me pull mine up on my screen so I can walk you through it completely. Should be a spot where it's to say like uploads.
There it is.
There you go. Now I see it. Okay, so now you got our menu, our extra. So now we're going to go to favorites folder. And now we're going to go ahead and upload from PC. So remember that file I sent you?
Yes.
So now you're going to go, yep, downloads. There's my file. We're going to go to open. Boom. Now you got all my favorites, sir. And what this helps us when we communicate or talk, if you ever are in a situation where you need to access something, it's easier for me because I can tell you which folder to go into because I've been using these folders for so long. So now, right now, as you notice, we have man hours, SSL, reports. It's all classified in the folders where I believe they belong. So right now, we're going to go click on reports because today we're going to talk about EQUIPSIT. So you're going to click that little thing. So now where it says equipment, display, that one right there. Now hang on for a second, sir. Before we keep going, you notice how it just has the names? It doesn't have the actual T code. So T code stands for transaction code. And we want to change that because sometimes people might say, hey, use T code 1234. You'll be like, okay, what does that mean? So now we're going to go to systems and we want to change that. No, it's extras. So we're going to go to extras. You're going to go to settings. And now we're going to go ahead, display technical name. And now we're going to go back into reports. So now it actually has your technical name along with what it is. Sometimes people talk with the technical name. Sometimes people talk with the name of what the T code is called. So this helps with both. That's the foundation. That wraps up episode 1 of learning GSS-Army, getting into it, using the company portal to download WinGUI, getting your favorites uploaded, changing transaction codes so you actually see the codes, understanding a little bit between the T code and what we call it, breaking that process down. More videos to come. Can't wait till you check out episode 2. Stay with us.